I am Allysa Sunga, 23 years old, and currently I am a beauty queen.
Yabang.
Parang dun sa dati aspiring pa lang.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Caoile.
And I'm Dr. Marj Salazar, and we are now here in our Timog, Quezon City branch. And here, we specialize on skin and non-surgical treatments. Kasi sa Green Hills, complete yung treatments natin, surgery, skin, and non-surgical. But here in Timog, we have more rooms and spaces for you. If you remember, ito yung project wherein we gave complimentary rhinoplasty and full facial profile balancing to our lucky chosen winners.
So kung last time we did the surgical procedures, today naman, Doc Marj will do the non-surgical procedures. So let's welcome Allysa.
Hello, Allysa! Welcome to our Timog branch! Ang ganda-ganda naman! Grabe!
So today we will be doing my non-surgical procedure with Doc Marj.
So how are you, Allysa?
Okay naman, Doc. Medyo busy po sa career and ACATS. But of course, focus pa rin sa healthy diet for faster recovery. Pinaka nilook forward ko po is yung sa Jawtox. Kasi problem ko talaga siya. Like, hindi ako makanganga ng hindi nakakaramdam ng discomfort since I am experiencing TMJ.
So ready ka na ba to do your non-surgical procedures this time?
Very excited, Doc. With Doc Marj naman this time.
We're all excited.
Let's go! So come here, Allysa. Dito tayo gagawa ng procedures mo. So what I'm expecting for Allysa's treatments today is ma-achieve niya yung confidence kasi si Allysa meron pa siyang mga pageants. Nakita ko talaga yung videos niya before. Yes, confident, pero ngayon yung aura niya mas confident pa. So if you remember last time, no, yung goals mo is one, mas magmukhang lumiit pa yung face, and second, mas magkaroon ng balance, right? So we will be cleansing your face and lalagyan ka muna ng anesthesia. Okay? So after ng EMLA or yung topical anesthesia, we will already start your non-surgical procedures. So we will begin with the lips. So you can see yung lips ni Allysa. It has a very beautiful shape. Maganda na yung symmetry. What we want to achieve ngayon is a little bit of plump. Cupid lips is using hyaluronic acid filler for her lips, and ang target naman natin dito is more for hydration and symmetry sa lips niya. And take note, meron tayong specific na filler para sa chin and merong specific na filler para sa lips. So, anong masasabi mo, Allysa?
Ang ganda, Doc. Hindi siya yung super kapal talaga. Mukha lang siyang hydrated, and as you mentioned, nawala po yung pigmentation niya. Ang ganda, Doc.
So, yung next procedure natin is the chin. So, yung gusto natin sa chin mo, Allysa, is to move it forward or magkaroon siya ng forward projection. And magkaroon ng shaping or reshaping na mas V-shape and magmumukhang maliit yung face niya. Chin up is using hyaluronic acid filler, and we will be injecting that on her chin. So that's it. We're done doing Allysa's chin. Naupo ka ng straight. So, tignan mo ng malayo. Sa front view, nakikita mo na mas gumanon.
Yes, Doc. Like, kitang-kita. Ang ganda, Doc.
Diba? Very subtle, pero yan yung mga little tweaks or little magic na nakakaliit ng face. Now, let's go with the under eye. So, si Mesmerize and Model Cheeks, it's under eye and cheek filler, hyaluronic acid pa din. We'll be injecting it strategically under the eyes and sa cheek area para mas ma-achieve natin yung model look, yung cheekbone na maganda, and at the same time, fresh yung eyes. Kasi kapag malalim yung eyes, nakakabigay siya ng look na parang puyat or pagod kahit hindi naman. So this is a very common question, no? Migration of fillers. First, hindi magmamigrate yung fillers if the product place is correct. So dapat kung ano yung specific filler for the specific area, doon lang natin siya ilalagay, then hindi siya magmamigrate. Second, it's the technique. If the technique is correct, if it's done strategically, artfully, then hindi magmamigrate ang fillers. So, you can see here on this side na nagawa na natin. If you will look on the half, mas fresh na siya tignan kasi mas nagkaroon na siya ng volume. Very subtle lang versus this side na mas lubog pa siya. We'll do the other side para pantay.
Wow! Hello, Allysa! Mas naging proportion na bumagay lalo sa nose mo. Can you give us an idea? Kumusta yung naging 7-day journey mo after the rhinoplasty? Nahirapan ka bang huminga? Kasi syempre, swollen yan, congested yung nose mo. Kamusta?
Sa paghinga, Doc, medyo po, but then super nakahelp po sa akin yung nasal spray. As in, kapag ini-spray ko siya, ang galing, like, para siyang magic.
Nadi-decongest siya, no?
During the first 7 days, I was expecting the worst. Kasi yung mga nakita ko, yung after post-op, sobrang namamaga, sobrang nagpapasa. As someone na very pasain na tao, hindi talaga nagpasa yung face ko. And for me, minimal lang yung swelling. Kasi nag-expect ako na pati yung cheeks ko mamamaga, yung eyes ko mamamaga. And hindi ko siya na-experience. Personally kasi takot ako sa dugo. Especially after nung operation. Kapag in-spray ko yung nasal spray, parang yung mga natuyong dugo from operation, tumutulo siya, ganun. And then, hindi ko alam paano tatanggalin yung nakapasok sa loob ng ilong. Nagpanik ako kasi pag tinatanggal ko siya, parang masakit. And so, I called the number that was given to me by Elyse. Actually, nag-text lang ako. And sila yung nagsabi sa akin na kung pwede tumawag. And from there, na-appreciate ko kasi I feel so much support from them. Doon ko na-realize na it's important to choose the right clinic, the right doctor, the right team kasi it will really affect your healing journey.
So kahit na takot si Allysa sa dugo, talagang pinilit niyang harapin yun. Kasi kailangan talagang linisin. It's very important. During the 7 days, kumusta yung pain scale sa nose and sa ears?
For me, walang pain, Doc. Discomfort talaga. I think nakatulong din po yung mga pain reliever na meds na in-advise niyo po na inumin ko.
So it means very much tolerable talaga.
Yes, Doc.
Oo, in contrary kasi syempre minsan mas masakit siya tignan. No?
Yes po.
Oo.
Well, nung 30 days post-op, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi meron po akong pageant less than 1 month from my operation, mga 20 days. During my pageant, hindi nga rin nahalata ng iba na namamaga pa siya. 2 weeks after ng operation, meron po akong photoshoot. Parang feeling ko ako lang nakakapansin na maga siya. Lahat ng tao na nasa paligid ko, sobrang nagagandahan na sila. And that really boosted my confidence. From 30 days to 90 days, mas nakakapag-workout na ba ako regularly na hindi na ako nako-conscious. Kasi for me, sobrang important ng 3 months post-op. Kung ano man yung gagawin mo dun sa loob ng 3 months na yun, sa recovery or sa magiging itsura ng nose mo in the long run.
Thank you so much, Allysa. I'll see you in a bit. But for now, I leave you with our 2 beautiful doctors.
Tutuloy na natin yung mga gagawin pa natin.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Doc.
So we already started our fractional laser with Doc Zell, one of your trusted Elyse doctors. So si laser pore and NAD. Si laser pore, this is a skin treatment. This is basically a fractional laser from Europe. Pero yung fractional laser na to, hindi siya ma-downtime. Thank you so much, Doc Zell, for the laser pores. So if you can see, immediately after laser pore, meron siyang redness and meron siyang grades. So we'll be putting the NAD. This is an antioxidant. Maya-maya, pagkalagay natin ito, mas magle-lessen yung kanyang redness.
Doc, paano po yun? May event po ako ng after 2 days. Super mamamaga po ba yung face ko or yung redness?
After 2 days, wala na to. In 2 days time, pwede ka nang mag-makeup. Kasi may ibang fractional laser na brown ka talaga, grabe talaga yung scabbing after. But this one, you get the equal effectiveness of other fractional laser wherein nag-aangat yung scars, gumaganda yung pores, nag-improve yung skin texture, and mas nag-improve yung mga fine lines and wrinkles. Next step natin is the Jawtox. Kasi gusto natin, di ba, lumiit pa yung face ni Allysa, yun yung goal niya. So si Jawtox, ano ba yun? It's Botox on the jaw muscle or the masseter muscle. Maraming myth about Jawtox. Maraming natatakot na, Dok, baka pag nag-Jawtox ako, magkakaroon ako ng jowling. So let me address these myths, no? Hindi ka magkakaroon ng jowling if you are the right candidate. So, who are the right candidates? Number one, meron ka bang teeth grinding? Second, if hyperactive talaga yung jaw muscles mo. So, how do you know that your jaw muscles are hyperactive? Try mo to. Your two fingers, lagay natin dito, and then clench. Napansin mo ba kung may parang bato na tumigas? Then, kung meron, then candidate ka. Because not everyone merong ganon. And lastly, it's the right dose. Your doctor must be able to give the right dose sa Jawtox mo so that the effects are very subtle and natural. Na-achieve mo yung pagliit ng face, pero hindi mo ma-achieve yung parang limitation sa pag-smile or yung jowling. So, we're done with Jawtox. And next natin is the FaceSculpt. FaceSculpt is injection of a fat melting solution made from Spain. Wherein inject natin siya dito sa cheek area, sa lower jowls, so that mas lumiit pa yung face niya. So we just did the FaceSculpt and Jawtox by Doc Zell. Is there any pain right now?
Wala po.
Okay, perfect.
Alyssa! Ang ganda. So, by the way, meron akong question. If there's one advice that you can give to our viewers na gustong magpagawa ng mga aesthetic procedures, what would that be?
Advice ko po, go for it. Sa mga tao na natatakot, it's always important to put in our minds na we undergo major surgery, that healing doesn't happen overnight. I think it's also important to condition your mind. Dun pa lang sa sarili mo, assured ka na hindi. Ito talaga, normal tong nangyayari sa healing process, na it will take time, walang shortcut, na if gusto mo mapaganda yung healing, better healing, faster healing, you have to be disciplined. You have to follow your doctor's advice.
That's very good to know, Alyysa.
So,
okay, sige. So, iwan ko na kayo dyan.
Yes.
See ya!
Bye daw.
Bye! So, we will now be doing the bright eye treatment. So, yung bright eyes, it contains medicines para mas mag-hydrate and mag-brighten yung under eye ng skin. So, Alyysa, kamusta ka? How are you feeling right now?
Okay naman, Doc. No pain. Medyo may discomfort, pero tolerable naman.
And don't worry tomorrow and the next 2 days kasi may event ka, okay na yan. Padala mo kami ang picture.
Ang galing. How God's timing worked. I remember, tinanong to sa akin during first interview, tas naiyak ako. Naiyak pa din ako. If I could talk to her before surgery, yung insecurities, yung self-doubt, lahat ng hurtful words na na-receive niya, it's not her fault. And by choosing to do this surgery, I think for me it's something na it's really brave to do. Kasi confidence isn't just about accepting your flaws and imperfection. For me, it's about taking the step and choosing to do what's best for you. And for me, it's this journey, my rhinoplasty surgery.
So what I'd like people to understand with non-surgical procedures is that it can yield a beautiful and natural results. But it has to be the right technique. It has to be the right doctor. So why Elyse Aesthetics for non-surgical treatments? Number one, and this is something I am very proud of, your doctors have an art. Second, this is something nararamdaman talaga ng mga patients namin when they come here. It's the heartfelt care. Why? Kasi one of our values in Elyse Aesthetics is malasakit. And lastly, world-class excellence. Yung world-class excellence, this is something that we strive for every day. Excellence. Joyful excellence is also one of our values. And chine-chase talaga namin yung excellence sa results and how we treat our patients.
I remembered before, I already started my pageantry career, but hindi naman ganun ka laki yung mga opportunities na pumapasok sa akin. And then, suddenly, after ko magpa-rhinoplasty, when my nose, I feel like it's somewhat healed na. biglang maraming opportunities na pumapasok. I was invited to a TV guesting and maraming opportunities sa pageantry. And hindi na siya yung in-expect ko na national pageant, but international pageant that I hope I can share with you guys soon.
May part ka rin ba sa sarili mo na gustong i-improve? Share your story with us!
Malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod.
So, if you want to set your beauty free, let's Elyse it!